How to turn on show checkboxes on Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Yahoo. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile here, click on settings. Now after you click on settings, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do now is scroll down until you find show checkboxes right here. Now you can enable it from here, as you can see, easily and fast. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.